Hi, my name is Katie, and today we are continuing with the Geekbook Geeks class. We're doing the Java collection framework. So yeah, this is part 6. So we have question 1. Which of the following is not part of the Java collection framework? Which part of the following is not part? Question 2. What is the key difference between collection and collections? Question 3. What is the purpose of the Java collection framework? Question 4. Which interface is the root interface of the Java Collections framework? That is collections. Question 5. Which of the following methods is provided by the collections class in Java? Question 6. Which of the following is true about the collections class in Java? Question 7. Which of the following interface does not extend the Java collection? Question 8. What does the add method in a collection return? Okay, and then question 9. Which of the following is not a valid collection in the Java collections framework? And then question 10. Which class provides a method to reverse the order of elements in a collection in Java? I scored 90% for this section. I got this wrong. Okay, so now we have the next section. Java Arraylist. Question 1. What is the default initial capacity of an array list when it is created using the no-R constructor? What is it? Okay. What were the following of a pair? Which method of array list is used to an element at a specific index? Okay. Question 4. What will be the result of the following code? Question 5. Which of the following methods is used to check if an array list is empty? Question 6. Which of the following methods return the number of elements in an array list? Mm, Question 7. What is the time complexity to add to the add method in an array list? Amortized case. Okay, I scored 85% here. I got this question wrong. Okay, so here we have the Java list interface. So first question, which of the following classes implement the list interface in Java? Question 2. Which class among Arraylist, linked list, vector, and stack is synchronized? Thread safe. What is the time complexity of inserting an element at the beginning of an array list? Question 4. Which data structure is best for implementing a LIFO, loss in first out operation in Java? Which of the following allows fast insertions and deletions at both ends? Okay, question 6. What happens if you try to access an invalid index in an array list? Question 7. How do you retrieve the top element from a stack without removing it? Question 8. Which collection should you prefer when frequent insertions and deletions are required in the middle of the list? Question 9. Which collection time does not allow random access to its elements? I scored 77% here. I got this question wrong as well as this one. Moving on, we have the Java linked list. Question 1. Which data structure does Java linked list internally use? What was our two pairs following code? Oh my god. I wanted to click this one, but it's fine. What is the time complexity of inserting an element at the beginning of a linked list? Question 4. What will happen if you try to access an element at an invalid index using int index. Question 5. Which of the following statements about a linked list and array list is true? What happens when pull first is called on an empty linked list? Which method retrieves but does not remove the last element in a link first? It scored 85% and I got this one wrong. If I didn't get it wrong, I would have gotten all the points. But okay.